Hi, I'm Rob Thompson. I'm the sales manager for SYS Systems, and we supply the full range of Stratasys equipment. We're the only dedicated supplier of Stratasys in the UK and Ireland, and we supply all 5 of their 3D printing technologies. We've been incorporated since 2007 and supply in the UK and Ireland with additive manufacturing technologies since then. Our team is based here in Derby, where we've got a demonstration facility and a full dedicated application, service and sales team. We also supply all of the aftercare that you'd expect from a team of people like ourselves, and we're also a platinum partner, which means our team are fully factory trained, giving you the confidence you can take advantage of your machine through its full life cycle working with us from a technical point of view and from an applications point of view. We're very fortunate to work alongside a fantastic partner such as Stratasys. They're one of the pioneers of the 3D printing industry, inventing processes such as FDM and PolyJet. They've been around for nearly 35 years and really understand the market. We now have 5 polymer 3D printing technologies under our banner, which allows us a real wide breadth to look at all different aspects of 3D printing. Their level of investment into R&D and new product development and new material development is unparalleled in the industry and should give you confidence that working with SYS and Stratasys going forward means that you really are working with a key player in the industry. As I say, we've been supplying the machine since 2007. We've got a breadth of customers covering many different industries from aerospace, automotive, medical device, healthcare and education. We work with large and small businesses in the UK to help them take advantage and harness the power of 3D printing. Having access to the full 5 technologies that Stratasys supply gives us the ability to work end to end with a customer, all the way from the concept of an idea in the prototype stage through the manufacturing process and even tackling additive manufacturing end-use part applications. This whole life cycle of prototyping to manufacturing is something you can work directly with SYS through access to the Stratasys technologies. And it's really important to engage with us about your application specifically so that our team can help you to select the right machine with the right materials to take advantage of this wonderful technology. Our years of experience will help you to shorten that cycle down to really help you scale up your additive manufacturing capability.